Hey guys, welcome back to the Hillside Gardener. Today I'm going to show you my ZZ plant and show you something that is incredibly happening here. Now this is January and everything I've read, everything I've known that ZZ plants should be dormant in the winter time, okay? I haven't really watered this maybe more than once or twice since I brought it back in for the to overwinter. And all of a sudden, look at this guys, it's putting on, I count at least 4 of these new shoots here. It is actually very much growing. It's doing fantastic. The only thing I can think of is it was over kind of on the floor where it didn't get a whole lot of light because these are supposed to be, you know, low light, tolerant, loving plants, etc. And quite honestly, it kind of got broken off. You see right here where the wound's kind of healed, and there's another one on the other side that's doing the same thing. But yeah, so it was kind of neglected. The summer had some damage. I just noticed this right here. There's another little growing bud coming up there. So this plant is absolutely doing fantastic. And I think what I was trying to say is I put this on this stand here next to my little terrariums I'm working on. And as you can tell, it gets morning sun. You can see right here, the morning sun kind of showing through the window here. So this plant is actually, I don't know, it's waking up. So maybe you think said it went through a winter and it started seeing the sun again and it's starting to grow. But I mean, everything I've read said that they are, you know, dormant all winter long. So that kind of got my curiosity going. So let me show you some propagations I made last year. And you know what? They're doing the same thing. So maybe it's not just this one plant. Maybe it's, you know, just how all ZZ plants are. So if you've ever grown ZZ plant before, let me know. Does your plant grow in the wintertime like this? Is it putting on healthy new growth? And here's another right here. See that? That's actually putting on more growth there. So yeah, this thing is extremely happy. So let me go ahead and take you upstairs and show you what else is going on. All right, so first off, we're in the bathroom and this little shelf right here, which gets nice morning sun. And this is actually the dark form, the Raven ZZ plant. But as you can tell right here, check it out. It's putting on a brand new growth right there. And yes, that is normal. They will come out bright green, just like a regular. And over time, as it matures, the leaves will then turn to that nice dark purple color. But right there is growing up another spike there. So I don't know what if it's just about my plants, maybe is my light situation, I don't know. But they are definitely not dormant. And if they are, they were not dormant for very much at all. So I mean, in the summertime, they actually don't grow much for me, at least. I think that maybe it's too hot, too much sun, and they're actually kind of conserving their moisture like they are from a hot, you know, southeastern Africa. So it's very hot, very dry. These plants are adapted to, you know, store water. These little tuberous, very fleshy roots down there, they will actually store plenty of water and nutrients to endure, you know, the harsh, you know, African climate that they're native to. But let me show you some cuttings I took last year. And you know what? They're doing the same exact thing. So I don't know what's going on, but let me know down in the comments below if your ZZ plants are growing in January. All right, so finally, these are some cuttings I actually grew from leaf cuttings. So these are about a year old. They do take a very long time to grow, but again, these plants, they're all growing. And I need to water this one. I think the tips are getting a little bit too brown. I think that's because it's actually right against the window. So you don't want these plants to really get too much sunlight. But that being said, I mean, look at this one here, guys. It's putting out new offshoots. I think this might actually be the Raven, or this is the Raven, I think, because it has the darker stem on it. Yeah, so this eventually will turn dark leaves. This is the standard green ZZ that I've actually showed you the mother plant of that one downstairs. But again, growing in January. That's so weird to me. But also, there's another plant I have, and you know, it's always done the same thing. It only grows in the winter time and is dormant all summer long, which to me doesn't make any sense. So let me take you back downstairs and show you what's going on down there, and then I'll wrap up this video. So finally, this is my dark leafed rubber plant. Okay, so this is you know, native to Southeast Asia or India, places like that. So it's used to hot, dry, humid conditions. However, this thing, I promise you, does not grow in the summertime. I have absolutely no idea why, but it's never been outside. It just stays indoors. But check this out. See, when these new leaves start to emerge, they're this nice little you know, pinkish purple color. That is pretty awesome. I really like this plant a lot. But like I said, it only grows in the wintertime and it never stops growing. And sometime around, you know, late spring, it just decides that it's just going to stop. And you can tell, like right here, when the new leaves come off, this actually will fall off naturally, and you have your brand new leaf kind of right there showing up. So I don't know what it is, guys, but some of my plants only like to grow in the wintertime. I have no idea why. They should be dormant. They should be kind of sleeping, waiting for the spring weather to hit. But you know what? They decided they want to start growing. That's the same pattern they always do. It's not just a one-off thing. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But let me know if they do the same thing for you. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. Hope you subscribe and like my content. And I will see you for another hillside plant adventure next time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.